Hi folks, Lee with Tom and Jerry's Boat Center here. I am standing in front of the Hewescraft 220 Ocean Pro. This is one of the biggest selling aluminum boats in the Pacific Northwest right now. Hewescraft has been building boats for over 70 years, and their engineering has come up with some of the most desirable boats. This one has not changed much over the years. They've added a few amenities here and there, but Hewescraft builds one of the safest boats on the water. By that I mean boats 20 feet and over are not required to have flotation by the Coast Guard. Hewescraft puts what they call recoverable flotation in every hull. And what that will do is give you peace of mind in knowing that worst case scenario, your boat will not go to the bottom. A couple other things also. It helps keep the boat warmer in the winter, and it deadens the sound of the water. Some of the features that make this boat so popular, in addition to the flotation, are the fact that it has incredibly tall sides and it has a wide bottom. The beam on this boat is 8 feet 6 inches and the bottom width is 8 feet. So they've really taken advantage of all the engineering they possibly can to give you a smooth ride in a 22-foot boat. The boat has an extended transom also, so when Hewescraft measures a boat, the 22 feet is measured from the back of the transom to the bow. The bottom is not included, so you literally have 24 feet of hull in the water on a boat like this. And again, that's what's made it such a popular seller here in the Northwest. They have grab handles in all the right places, downrigger brackets for those of you guys who like to fish. The paint on the boat is a automotive grade of paint made by PPG. Comes with a 2-year warranty. The hull itself has a lifetime warranty to the original user. Any of the welds ever break, if it ever leaks, you're totally covered by Hewescraft. They're a very good company. As I said, they've been around for over 70 years. The roof compartment is carpeted as well. That helps keep the heat in, keeps you warmer. Another nice feature of having an aluminum boat is, particularly on the Hewescraft, you can open up the door here, hop right out to the front. When you pull your boat up on the beach, you can hop right off, so it makes it very easy. That's another nice thing about an aluminum boat. You really can't hurt them. Another nice feature you can get on these boats, which really makes a lot of sense, is this diamond plate bow anchor guard. So when you pull your anchor up, you're not going to scratch the front of your boat. All aluminum boats have a reverse chine to some extent, but Hewescraft's is an extruded piece of aluminum that runs the entire length of the boat. What that does, it helps the boat get on plane quicker and it gives you a smoother ride. This one has a kicker, 9.9 kicker, and is powered with Yamaha. At the back of the boat here, you can see this particular one has a transducer installed on it already. This tab is designed so that the transducer does not have to be screwed into the hull, so you'll never have any leaks in the boat. Of course, the boats all come with zincs for use in salt water to prevent corrosion. As we move to the interior of the boat, you'll notice a nice big bench seat here, one on each side. They're 42-inch bench seats. They do convert to a sleeper very easily. The backrests come off and then 2 bars just go across the center, and there you go. You have your bed. Up front you have 2 nice high back heavy-duty suspension seats with armrests here. These are really quite nice. If you do get into rougher water, you can see the suspension working on these. This particular boat has Garmin Electronics on it. Has a Garmin screen here, and then it also has a VHF radio. Your engine gauge is right here. Everything is right at your fingertips, really. When you're driving these boats nowadays, they're very easy to drive. It's a very simple switch monitor panel there. The throttle control is very ergonomic. You feel very comfortable driving this boat and feel very safe, which is important. These are just really very simple, straightforward, safe boats. That's what Hewescraft makes, and that's what most people want in a boat. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you at the Seattle Boat Show.